Yo, what's up?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. I feel like we're gonna see the buys today. I'm right back. I'm about to get some water.
Bryce, how you doing, man?
Yo, what's up?
What up? What
Good.
up?
How are you?
Cool. I'm good, man. I'm writing up a devotion on John chapter 12. So the anointing at Bethany. It's the story of Mary when she anoints Jesus' feet and she wipes his feet with his hair.
Yeah.
So I'm writing up a devotion on our commitment and sacrifice for
the message we're
kind
gonna
of follow the.
next week, right?
No. So I got to give. So
Get
on
down.
Tuesday I have to give a staff devotion to the teachers here at school. So I'm thinking that I would just use the same message for Wednesday. Well, actually Thursday morning. because the message is supposed to apply to teenagers, right? Right, like when I'm sharing for the interview.
Yeah.
But this one, it's good because what Mary was doing, like, it was very uncharacteristic for a Jewish woman. One, it's her house, and she's the one who's on the floor wiping Jesus's feet, which is actually that's like a servant's job. So she's taken the position of a servant. And then it's very uncharacteristic of a Jewish woman to untie their hair or like unbound it in public. And although it wasn't in public, there was guests at the house for dinner, like Lazarus is there, Jesus is there, Judas is there. So if you're thinking like, what sort of things, if you're a young believer or you're someone who's considering following Christ, like taking in consideration the things that we have to do / give up, the characteristics that we will have to embody for the sake of him, right? And it won't matter what people say or what they think. Yeah, so that's why I'm good. That's where I'm going with it. Right now, I'm just going to take a bunch of notes on it, and then I'll kind of I'll form it all together. Once I haven't spent any time praying over it, so I'll have to do that too, just to get a better feel of like, yeah.
Okay. What day is the presentation?
What'd you say?
Date for the presentation message.
Oh, which day?
Yeah.
So the devotion that I'm leading for the staff here is on Tuesday morning. And then for the interview, it's early on Thursday morning, like I think 3 a.m. your time, 2 a.m. my time.
3 a.m. my time, 2 a.m. your time.
Yeah, because you're an hour ahead of me, I think.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be so early.
Yeah, very early.
We'll see how I feel.
That's true. I think I'll be jacked up though, because it's an interview, and it's exciting. The interviews have been pretty good so far, so I'll be this will be one of my first interviews. Well, yeah, one of my first interviews where like all I'm really doing is talking about Jesus. So that's pretty sweet.
Right.
So Jonah, sorry, I know this is your live stream, but I've applied for this youth director job. So I'm on like the next stage or the next phase. So I have to lead. I'm leading like a group of 6 or 7 leaders from the church that I'm trying to join or trying to work for. So I'm leading them. I have to share a message, and then I have to lead them in a discussion. So right now I'm looking at John chapter 12, the anointing at Bethany. It's like the time after Lazarus has been raised up back to life, and he's having dinner at Martha and Mary's house. And then Mary takes that huge perfume or that jar of nard and rubs it all over his feet with her hair. Yeah.
Dope, bro.
Looking at the things that we will do for Christ and why. Because there's the cool thing, there's all I have written in my notes is that there's 2 types of people that the story's focused on. One is Mary, and then the second is Judas. You got Mary, who's so humble, takes the position of a servant, and then Judas is like, why would you spend so much money spilling out this perfume on his feet, And really, he secretly just wants to. He would just want to take the jar and sell it.
Yeah.
It's just interesting, 2 different types of people that the story's kind of focused, or that passage is really focused on. Because Lazarus is just there; he's there to eat.
Right.
Martha it just says that Martha's serving them, but it spends more time on Mary and Judas, and of course Jesus then backs up Mary because he gets it.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna hit on that.
Yeah, that's dope, bro.
Yeah.
And that's what I mean, Jesus purposely was there for that.
Yeah, it's the preparation for his burial. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet. I'm excited. So I'm just gonna. I was telling Praise that I'm just gonna take a bunch of notes and then come back and kind of mold it together. Oh, G's breaking out.
Resistance is right
Yo,
here.
Jonah.
What's up?
Jonah.
What's up?
Turns out Cat
Say what?
went back up. Cat went back up. Like after.
What about GCAT?
It got back up.
Oh, went back up?
Yep.
Dang.
So news down 50 pips. And then after the news, it went back up 150 pips.
Dang. Did you buy it?
Yeah. Nah, I wasn't looking for buys after that candle. Nah.
Gotcha.
So I'm gonna look for buys today.
Bet.
I missed buys on your USD yesterday.
Yeah, that was a
Late.
good move, man.
Yeah, sorry, my cat.
Yeah, that was a really good move.
Yep. Like about late.
I came back late to the charts, and like I was like, "Dang, boss, what happened to your USD?" And it just like sucker took off, boy. And I was like, "Oh, I'm buying this." Yeah, so I hope you hope God blesses you through that, man.
Are you enough?
Say what?
What trade was that? Are you in any trade?
Just your USD still?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, haven't closed it yet.
Yeah. This thing's not really like flowing. Not right now. Things are moving slow.
Yeah. Just 30 minutes into London. Probably why. What about gold? Anything on gold?
Not at the moment. It's just consolidating. No, not consolidating. I'm main range.
How about GJ?
You know, it broke out of the zone that I had marked up, but I want to see if we get a retracement on this next 30-minute candle, and maybe get in on a buy up to your zone there that you have, Jonah. That's probably where I'd have my TP if I can get a 10 pip stop, 11 pip stop.
Mm-hmm.
Overall, I think, yeah, I don't know. I have a feeling of a fake out that's coming, so I'm personally being pretty just relaxed about it, but we'll see what happens. Because the 30 minutes opening now, yeah, come back down, reject, pushing down again. If it rejects pushing down, then yeah, I'd be looking for buys. But right now there's I could have entered there. It's breaking on the 1 minute pretty nicely, but nah.
Yeah.
I already took a loss today.
It'll hit you pretty quick. Like
right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't, it broke that low, and this is like what I was talking about with Praise yesterday. I was telling him that I'm not taking breakout trades anymore, and then here I am. 1 minute breakout trade. Ate me up.
Could have actually entered right here at this candle. But then again, if you're looking for a 10 pip stop loss, you're not going to, well, I'll do more of a 15 pip stop loss right here for this. Yeah.
This actually would have been nice. Yeah, I usually enter on the I like to use the 1 minute. 1 minute 5. Yesterday I was using the 5. If I can use the 5, that's better. But right now, this is one of my for GJ that before it just shot up. There was actually one of my my entry types that I like. I call it like a weak retest. It doesn't really break very aggressively, but then comes back and it does retest the zone and just kind of hangs there for a minute. And then once it breaks the high, I would like to jump in. So I would have had a 10 pip stop, but I don't know. Being a little more relaxed today as it's NFP, and who knows.
Absolutely. Sometimes London is amazing on NFP days. Like sometimes the market will move.
Yeah. This DJ showing this like tight consolidation in that little channel going up. I've seen this a lot, and you can see it a little bit. This is what it did yesterday, and then news event just took it right out. That's what with GJ it happens a lot. You get this little channel intraday, it's really tight, and then it just takes it out.
Exactly.
I would be surprised if we saw sells later on. Yeah.
I was so mad, bro. I told myself wake up at 6:55, and I was like, nah, I should be fine. My analysis should be there once I wake up at 7. As soon as I woke up at 7, my analysis hit.
Dang. Yeah, that's always hard. You're on the one hand, you're like, oh, I had a great analysis. On the other hand, not catching any of it. It's like
Yeah.
it's like a backhanded compliment.
I was so mad, bro. That thing went 126 pips. I was like, "Are you serious?" This candle went. My entry would have been right here. 136. Dang. I knew GU was going to buy back up. And I was wanting to catch it, but I just didn't know how to. I think I didn't go back in the past and look at this time, so. Yeah, we might get some more GJ sales. I want to see something like this. Or might get a fake out, come back, comes in.
Yeah, 5-minute candle close bearish. A fake out there.
Yeah, close the Morning Star. Or Evening Star, one of them. Shooting Star, excuse me. Yeah. Hammers, dojis. So this is telling me that market's indecisive. Yeah. So this is falling right into my analysis with the GPP. Prepares to finish the week with losses of almost.
Man, Jonah, this music is like putting me in work mode. I love it.
Like good, bro.
Over here just ripping scripture, breaking it down. Like I'm like, oh wait, I also gotta watch what's on the chart.
I know, man. That's why I play it, bro. And nothing on gold. Nothing on gold yet. There go GJ pushing up.
Yep, I see it too. I think, looking looking at the 1 minute, there's an entry there that was just like yesterday, actually pushed down back to the zone after I had that good push up, and then engulfed that bearish candle on the 1 hour, like a second retest. That's actually one of my second entry patterns that I just wasn't too confident in it, but I like the on the lower time frames, I'd call that like a strong retest. Yeah, an entry there would be pretty. I'd be at break even probably, meeting that high.
Right.
Yeah.
It's totally good though. Let's see how this really want to see how this plays out when it hits resistance.
Oh, where you have your resistance level is where, had I entered on that, would have been that would have been like my take profit. It's about 23 pips. Yeah.
All right. Let's see what happens. Marcus ain't doing nothing really right now. It's just slow paced.
Yeah, man, there's no volume today.
Oh yeah.
There's that one move just pre-London there. Actually, no, that would have been London Open. That first 15 to break out of that minor zone there. It's moving so slow. I think, yeah, if we don't get a fake out here and back into that minor zone, I'll probably wait about 30 minutes, and I might just call it a day, just because
Thanks, man. That's what I was
I don't want to be. Yeah, I don't want to be caught up in just the slow movements.
Yeah.
Everything just hinging on NFP, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, but it's been a good week. You know, I started the challenge this week, so I'll be if I don't take another trade, I'll finish in profit about 4.5%. So I'll take that.
How much capital?
That was my 100K challenge.
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
You scalping?
So that's a very good start. Very good start.
Nice, you're scalping it.
I guess you call it the way I trade, because I just take, I'm like, you know, I'm capturing like 23 to 45 pips at most. 45 is a little high. It's probably 23 to 35-ish maybe.
That's good.
Usually just shooting for 2 to 2.5%, unless the range gives me, you know, because I'm also I'll try to use supply and demand for my take profits.
Right.
So if you know, if I have movement to the left that's clean, then you know, and then the next area of supply is up there, then I'd probably set my take profit up there.
Right.
So maybe I'd get max probably like 3 or 5%, 3 to 5, 3.5. There we go. Max. That'd be the percentage of a trade. I haven't really hit anything bigger than that, which is fine. I like taking those little pieces and then, you know, leaving it at that. But yeah, I don't swing anything. I don't hold anything overnight. Nothing.
What's yours at 10 pit stop loss?
I do like it depends. I think this week I had a 15 pip. I will not go above 15 pips. So if it's a more risky entry, or a high risk entry, if you will, then I'll do a bigger stop. If it's one that I'm more confident in, I'll probably go 10 to 11.
Gotcha.
So, because, you know, TJ, man, just it's crazy. You know, one candle even if it's not a news event, GJ's popping out these 30 pip candles, you know, easy sometimes, just like nothing. So
that's why I like GJ.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually tried. I don't know. There's probably 5 months ago, when I was doing the challenge. I was trying the same strategy, but just with GU, and it just doesn't move as aggressively as GJ.
Yeah.
This particular like scalping strategy. So GJ's has been Bay ever since.
That's what I like about GJ. Yeah, it just moves, dude.
It does, and I think as I'm getting used to trading, becoming more aware of when the, you know, drops a lot comes in.
Exactly.
Once it starts showing that characteristics, I know I have to be a little more conservative and careful. But yeah, like I said yesterday, I really do want to look into the movement when you know, if you go to last week or even Wednesday, when there's decent movement in an Asian session, or even Tuesday, we were completely bearish all Asian session pretty much. Those days, I don't know. There's good movements on those days.
Yeah, that's where I planned on.
So I like
that one trail, which was right here at the top.
Yeah. Yep. I remember talking about that. But those days, I think, can provide better setups than the way we're seeing like today. Like we had a good movement in Asian actually. That's pretty nice. I didn't see that. I've considered waking up for Asian. No, I wouldn't have got that.
Yo, Asian. Nice.
Oh, welcome back.
Yep, I'm back. Someone called me back because. Yeah, so what did I miss?
Absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
just Jonah and I chatting.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I don't really like trading GU as much, just because of what you just said. Like GJ just gives you the overall flow of everything. And as I
can barely hear you, Jonah.
I said GJ gives you the overall flow of everything. That's why I'm like, as I back test GJ.
Yeah.
You know, catching these nice entries will pass your account like crazy.
It's true. Yep. What was that time? 1 o'clock. Ooh. Interesting. 30-minute closure, kind of back into the range. Oh yeah, there you go. Pushing down. Good rejection on the 30-minute. Now pushing down early. Ooh, hard. Oh man. Oh man. GJ.
Yeah, but you got all these blockage right here.
Yeah, it's not clean at all. But that would have been an easy. Man, I told you, like one. If that would have been a breakout trade though.
Yeah, that's 20.
On the 1 minute breakout.
Mhm.
Ooh. That would have hit my TP right. Wow. Lovely.
Gotta trim long break. I was hoping to come up more here, but we'll see.
Wow. That would have been. Sheesh. Yep. Just as we talked about, Jonah.
Mhm.
GJ. Just gonna eat up that channel.
Yep. Man, that's crazy.
It's like a 30 pip candle, just like we literally said that like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, is it? Exactly, bro. I wish we can take like every breakout we see and pass it that fast.
Man, that's like, perfect analysis though. You get a fake out 30 minute. Yeah, but now it's hitting that, and rejecting that minor zone. Just tapped out. Yeah, where you got there, it's rejecting that perfectly. You could have taken trade on that 1 minute breakout as that 30 minute closed. I was looking at it, but I'm trying not to take those breakouts.
This is a 10
Sometimes you're gonna miss them though. Yeah, 10 pip stop, you would have had 0 drawdown, immediate to TP, 2% in your pocket.
Talking about this right here. This is a 10 pip stop loss right from here to here. That's on the 1 minute. This is a reversal candlestick pattern.
Yep.
Evening star.
So your entry. So I would have looked at entering. Let me see. I think if I'm when I was watching, I would have tried to enter.
This would have been
I like
entry.
16198 0. That would have been the breakout on the 1 minute. Yeah, right where you have it. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yep. And you would have taken it down to that minor zone, and you would have got a nice little 2% or a little less, maybe. Either way.
Yeah. Exactly. Shoot, I might buy GJ to be honest. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. I'm down to fill that wick. Yep. Nothing on gold yet still.
like that 1 minute. I was tempted on entering, but I don't want to be chasing.
Exactly.
But I like that pattern that, you know, it reacts, gives that reversal pattern, comes back to the zone.
Mm-hmm.
Hasn't fully engulfed, but that's a usual entry for me. After it's already made a move just before, yeah, it's a good chance it's gonna come back that high on the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm thinking like right.
Yeah, if it comes back and tests that high right there, that 900 mark. Yeah, and if it rejects that, could potentially then start selling again.
I'm seeing GJ could possibly go back up until.
Yeah, it's true.
Full break at these lows.
Yo, I got to go. I have an appointment in 30 minutes.
All right, man.
Yeah. So, see y'all later.
I see. Bro.
All right, man. See ya. Have a good one.
If y'all catch anything, send it to me.
Okay.
Will do.
I'm thinking about buying. Like buying GJ. I really do. I really.
Yeah, that's a strong rejection on the 15-minute. Yeah.
But man, it's kind of hard to buy something right here, but just because you have you just have
What do you like to normally enter on? 5 minute, 15 minute, or anything and everything?
Anything and everything. It's usually the 15-minute time frame that I'll enter on.
Yeah.
Just because I like the I like to be sure of a lot of stuff. If that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
5 minute rejection again.
Yeah, it's not good anywhere.
Yeah, I broke that high on the 1 minute. Yeah, would not be looking for sells anymore.
Right. But it's pretty.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Yeah, that's why I do. I'm feeling it. Stop loss. 10 pips, which is right here. 847. This is a really low
Mhm.
risk trade anyway. So, good gracious. About to say that thing let me put in.
It looked like it.
But this is all based off the 1 minute though, man. So.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So this is not a big risk at all. The only risk here is this 15-minute candle is leaving a wick. So if the next candle opens and comes down and fill this wick, then the issue. So I'm taking it based off of the 5 minute, not the 15 minute. Now these are one of my aggressive trades. I usually don't enter this aggressive, but
yeah, I think the trade that I was looking for didn't really give the entry requirement that I wanted. It just blew right through. that short move down is what I wanted.
Exactly.
Is exactly where I would have profit at that minor zone there, but it didn't. I like to get a small little retest there. I mean, it's retesting now. There now it's kind of shooting up. I don't know if that's not what I'd be looking for.
Right.
I'm okay with missing that one. But that's a W on the analysis. Got that closure of that zone up there, and then immediate push down. That was clean.
That's what I was afraid of. Is this quick fill. So it could have been an early entry for me. So. Should be 8:15 is my stop loss because this 1 minute is a 1 minute candle instead of this 15-minute. So let me adjust my stop loss to this area, 8:16. Yeah, that was my only fear, is this candle coming down and filling the wick.
Yeah, filling the wick.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it might.
Your USD keep blasting down like this. Gonna come back down to my entry.
I take a, if on the 5 minute we stay like this, not engulfed completely, I might take a sell.
Yeah, for sure.
I would probably try to run it down to 6,868.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, it's already going. Yeah, that's too big. Dang. Unless on the 1 minute we give another little bounce and then a engulfing
All right.
to continue that push down. Yeah.
That was the only thing I was afraid of. I knew I kind of jumped in a little bit too early on this one, knowing that I saw this wicket left. And that's why you learn. That's how I learn. I learn it from my mistakes. So,
Dang.
yeah.
Oh yeah, you got to.
Yep. So I should be looking for more sales instead of buys right here. Yep.
Oh,
So,
that's huge.
right here. My next candle will be 18 pip. So we can enter on this one. Golly. Alright, GJ. So that's exactly what I wanted on the 5 minute. It's a little bit too late, but 641.
Man.
I was supposed to do this.
Beautiful.
But let's see. I want to see this bad boy. What's your USD doing? Oh my gosh, jeez. Louise. So what I want to see first is something like because that'll be too big of a stop loss. This whole thing could be a fake out. I'd rather see on the 5 minute time frame like this whole thing close completely bearish, and then we have a wick fill coming down here. See, it closed right at that wick. I'm not comfortable taking this unless it like actually is like comes back up and then flips back down.
And that little rejection there, though, that 5 minute, those two bullish and then the huge bearish candle,
Yeah.
Those are beautiful, beautiful movements there.
This is just so much traffic right here, but if we can get this sell.
Yeah, it wasn't clean at all. You're right.
Yeah. But man, this is a good move, 50 plus pips if we can get it. Yeah, it's doing exactly what I want it to do. Yeah, I'm like, this would be my last entry for this one. Yeah, so I'm glad I didn't take that yet. No, but USD is doing what I want. Alright. I'm gonna take my profits on EU. Cool. Because EU is just falling like a knife. It's not looking so well. Ooh, gold. Yes. This is what I wanted, bro. Good. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. Yep. Exactly what I wanted to see. This is 1876. But this is a minimum trade of 3.0. Yep. I'll say this is my last trade. So this is where you minimize risk. Low lot size because it's a bigger stop loss down to this area. And then GJ, let's see what's GJ doing. Nope, GJ is not really doing that. GJ's still in the range. Now watch it just bleed down.
All right, brother. I think I'm gonna call it a day, but I did mark up those two movements there and just making a little reminder of what could be for next.
That's the same here, bro.
That's because that's a beautiful, easy scalp there. You get, I love that fake out, man. I had a strong upcoming. That's why I didn't enter any buys up there. Should have trusted my gut.
Never know, bro. Never know what happens if you just go with it. But
That's right.
and that's what's up.
As you said earlier, you learn and you move on.
That's right. That's all you can do.
It was there.
Mm-hmm.
That's all right. Still finishing the week off nicely, and now I know. You know.
Exactly.
It's beautiful. All right, man.
All right, man. You take it easy, brother.
Hey, thanks for setting us up again.
Anytime, bro. Anytime. Likewise.
All right, man.
All right.
See ya.
Peace.